me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, don't won't get lost now. To the moonlight, eyes you, Maria right now. You look into my eyes and felt a feeling that nothing got it feel like a slim night. Hey, come on closer, now I'm waiting for you, but don't hurry, oh slowly, oh yeah. The moon is around us. You look into my eyes, together feel so high. To make up with the twilight, my only, my bestie. You come into my life, let me if you want tonight. Little more shining star to the sky, looking high.
유난히도 캄캄한 밤에 나 홀로 너를 생각하네. 이런 기분 설명할 수 없어. 원래 이맘쯤 너와의 여행을 생각했었는데 네가 좋아하던 와인과 선물을 준비했겠지. 기뻐할 너를 상상하며. 근데 왜 이런 생각을 하면서 너를 추억만 하게 된 건지 어쩌다 너와 나 왜 이렇게 끝난 건지. 너를 기억하면 난 가슴이 아파와. 어쩌다 너.
Hello guys, today I will cook very easy and very tasty good omelette. It's Korean style, but I think something like a Japanese style also. The name is Tonado omelette. It's very popular in Korea now. Very little. After that, 1 cup water put here. And need to melt oil. Soy sauce. Tomato ketchup. Come. Sugar, 1 spoon. Vinegar. Yes, I will make fried rice. I think you know already. Your style or my style, any style is okay. Onion. This is ham. I will use very small. Sorry, more. Because I like ham. On fry pan, cooking oil a little bit. White rice. Ketchup again. Okay, almost done. 2 eggs. Put enough oil. Just make a sauce already. Put here. Basil or parsley is okay. It's good?
Yeah, it's very special.
Very simple.
Simple and nice.
What's the sauce?
You saw! Why are you asking me?
I forgot. So good. Can I have the recipe?
No? My secret recipe. Watching my channel. You can know.
Deep within, here we go. But somehow I'm caught in the middle. Is this the end before we've even begun? Should I work against the flow? A drop in the ocean so endless. Reaching for our moments miles above. I just need one. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. Hold my breath, looking up. Life moves in waves that keeps changing. Catch a glimpse of what was you and me. It's gone again. Sinking in, back on the shore. One foot in front of the other. Close my eyes and feel you hold my hand just like you used to back then. These hopes dance high like sparks before they go out. But in that second, you're still mine. Diving in to all this endless space. Falling stars, but still I see you. Sweet escape, a lovely start, but letting go's the hardest part. Swimming in this deep, deep blue. I know I'm floating on this dream, but soon comes morning. For now I'll embrace our wondrous sea.